Namaste. I, JVN Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Department Pharmaceutical Sciences, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today's our topic is enzymes and proteins. Continuation of the last lecture, pepsin. So, already told you pepsin biological source of pepsin is prolytic enzyme obtained from the glandular layer of the fresh stomach of the hog or pig, called Scophora leniver domesticus, grey, sheep, cow, family Suidae. The generic name of is from the Greek meaning hog. Scophora is Latin and mean breeding, and domesticus is in Latin means the household. Preparation, how to prepare this? Mucous membrane is scraped from the stomach and placed in the acidified water at 37 to for the 2 hours. Pepsin and peptones are obtained. Filter and add the sodium or ammonium salt till it becomes half saturated. Pepsin is separated from the peptone. Remain precipitate by adding the alcohol collected and dried it. Identification test based on the prolytic action of it coagulated add albumin digested with the pepsin solution, residue albumin test with the reference. Description: pepsins occur as lustrous, transparent or translucent. Scales as granular and spongy masses ranging in color from light yellow to light brown or white, fine white or cream color. Amorphous powder. It is free from the offensive odor and has slightly acid and saline taste. Uses: it is the component of rennet used to the curdle milk during the magnification of the cheese, used to modify and provide whipping quantities, to soy protein and gelatin, to make the pre-cooked several into the instant hot cereals, for flavoring food and beverages, in the leather industry to remove hair and residual tissue from the hide, in the preparation of F2 fragment from the antibodies. Next is trypsin. Synonym is proteinase, trypsin, procaine, proxine, peptidyl peptides, hydrolase. Biological source is proteolytic enzymes obtained from the mammalian pancreas of the ox, bos, taurus, family Bovidae. Description: it is available in amorphous powder. Color: white to whitish yellow. Solubility in water and insoluble in alcohol, chloroform ether. Taste: acrid. In taste: preparation: it is readily available from many sources. Commercial source contained with the other pancreatic enzymes. Recombinant trypsin has been expressed using system including E. coli, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Pasteuris. Purification occur by affinity chromatography on the benzamidine and proteinin. Identification test: dilute 1 ml of solution, dissolve 0.10 gram in carbon monoxide from free water and dilute 10 ml with the same solvent, 200 ml with the water. In the depression of the white spot plate mixture, 0.1 ml of this solution with the 0.2 ml of tosyl arginine methyl ester hydrochloride solution. A reddish violet color developed within 3 minutes. Dilute 0.5 ml of the solution as to 5 ml of solution water R. Add 0.1 to 20 gram 1 solution of the tosyl, lysyl and chloromethane hydrochloride. Adjust pH 7, shake for 2 hours and dilute 50 ml with the water as above, but negative test is shown. User trypsin gives the people who lack enzyme needed for the digestion. Also give the combination of bromelain, rutin for treatment of osteoarthritis. Apply directly on the wound and ulcer to remove the dead tissues and improving healing. Spray on product that used for healing mouth ulcer, trypsin, peribalsam, castor oil. Next is papain. Synonym of papain is pepoyotin, vegetable pepsin, herbals, nematodes, caroid, tromycin, velardon, vermizin. Biological source, it is green, dried leaves of carica papaya, cultivated in the Sri Lanka, Tanzania, Hawaii, Florida. Plant 5 to 6 meter in height, bearing 30 centimeter in length, 5 kilogram in weight. Family Carcariaceae. Preparation mostly found in the latex of the fruit, stem, leaves, petioles. Latex collect by making 2 to 4 incisions about 1 to 3 inch deep. While it become mature on tree green, incision make early in the morning at the interval to 3 to 7 days. Collect on non-metallic container or on cloth. Dry as soon as possible, either by sun drying or by heating above 38 degrees Celsius. Final product should be creamy and white. Seal in the air container to prevent loss of activity. If the 10% common salt and 1% solution of the formaldehyde is added before drying activity is maintained for many months, yield of papain from the latex is about 20%, 22 to 50 gram per tree. Highly active product is obtained by dissolving the commercial product is H2O. H2O is precipitate with alcohol. Commercial papain is adulterated with arrowroot, starch, dried milk of cactus, gudaparka, rice flour and pepsin adulteration. Belching is done for improving color, but its effect in enzyme activity lower than activity. Papain causes both milk clotting, protein digestion. Activity is lost when treated with H2O2, but reduction with the H2S is it regained. Property, it is occurs as a white slightly hygroscopic powder. It is partially soluble in water and glycerol. It may digest about 35 times its weight or lean meat. Best grade digestion of 200 to 300 times of their weight. 200 to 300 times of their weight of the coagulated albumin in alkaline media. Temperature ranges 60 to 90 degrees Celsius. Best pH is 5 but work also in natural and alkaline media. It is activated by reduction and inactivated by oxidation. Chemical properties or chemical constituents. Peptidase, renins, clotting enzyme, pactase, chemopapain. It contains 15.59% nitrogen, 1.2% sulfur. Crystalline papain is most stable in range of 5 to 7 pH. Readily destroyed at 30 degrees Celsius, below pH 2.5 and above pH 12. Identification test, it is reacted with the gelatin solution at 80 degrees Celsius in the presence of activating pristine chloral hydrate solution for 1 hour. Then the solution is cooled to 4 degrees Celsius for the long time. To prevent adhesions in slowing and infect uses of this. To prevent adhesions in slodging and infected wound internally as protein digestant and as antihelminthics to relieve epistomyces in season of vulva, used as a treatment of dyspepsia, digestive interstitial gastric disorder. It, in temperature of diphtheria, respiratory tract infections, used in the digestive mixtures, liver tonics, reduction and large tonsils in preventing of post-operating adhesions, carbuncles, boil and spot, scar, dry scar, burn, in preparation of toothpaste, cosmetics in tanning industry for painting skin and hides, anti-inflammatory agents, clarification of beverage, beer, fruit juice, in meat tendizer, degumming of silk fiber in textile industry, pancreatin, synonyms of pancreatin is destrace, vera, pandrotenone, Zipner, biological source, it is extracted from the pancreas of the certain belonging to Bostratus family, Sudaceae, Bovidae. Description: fine amorphous powder, color white to cream colored, odor faint, characteristic odor. Preparation of pancreatin is from the pancreatic alpha amylase. It is prepared by fractional preparations of aqueous exterior from the hog or bovine pancreas. The technical enzyme preparation was used principally for the textile seasoning because of its lower stability. Pancreatic alpha amylase is used to prepare pancreatin. Identification test: 50 mg of substance in the test tube, add 2 to 3 mg of resorcinol and 1 ml of H2SO4. Shake it, heat it at the 130 degrees Celsius for the 5 minutes and cool it, and dilute with the water to 5 ml and add hydroxide solution of drop wise to make the alkaline solution cool. 7 degree dilute to the 10 ml, a greenish blue fluorescence under the UV lamp. Uses of pancreatin is used. Pancreatin is used to treat the pancreatic exorcism, insufficient PEI attributed to cystic fibrosis, chronic pancreatitis. In nutritional formula like tablet, capsule or powder. In the preparation of leather hides, meats, tenderizer, add to meat to make more tender, sensitive and tasty before cooling. Bromelain, stem bromelain is the synonym, pineapple stem bromelain. Biological source: it is a prolytic enzyme obtained from the stem, ripe fruit of pineapple plant, ananas, cosmos, family Bromeliaceae. Description: odorless, buff-colored powder, acrid. Preparation: fresh stem fruit were collected, washed with H2O2 solution, peeled off, cut into the small pieces. Juices is collected from the fresh pineapple stem fruit by the homogenization in the presence of the sodium acetate buffer solution and filtered. 500 ml of filtrate is collected. Benzoic acid, sodium benzoate was added to a preservative at a concentration of 1 gram per kg. Filtrate obtained was collected as a crude drug. In that bromelain is added then by the centrifugation for 10 minutes at 2000 rpm to 4000 rpm and 6000 rpm at 4 degrees Celsius after supernatant was collected. So that's all about the that's all about the topic bromolysis. We will continue this topic in another lecture. So that's all. Thank you so much. Namaste. If you have any query, just comment below.